what is the right amount of solar panels to install on someone's roof?
Well, I don't think it is the right amount. It's more about the quality of the panels and quality of the system. So here at Solar Tops, we use great quality of panels and all the equipment that you use as well. Like we use microinverters instead of string inverters, which because we think they are more efficient than the normal inverters, and also they create less hazard during the connected when they are connected on the roof.
Right.
Because a normal inverter will combine all the voltage created for the panels, while the micro will always transform each panel individually. So we have less hazard, and they are also more efficient.
So it's about quality rather than quantity.
That's true.